Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8. How are you? Hope all of the students of day shift and morning shift are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 8. Let's see our today's topic. Dear learners, look here, this is transformation, assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive. I have written here vice versa. You know, I am telling again the topic, it is transformation, assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive. That is called vice versa. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 10 and homework number 8. I am telling again, this is our lecture number 10 and homework number 8 on our half-yearly 2021 syllabus. Dear students, in our previous classes, you have learned the basic rules assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertives. Inshallah, in our today's lecture number 10 class, we shall learn different sentences from exclamatory to assertive and exclamatory to assertive and assertive to exclamatory. Dear learners, in these connections, I hope that all of you will give your maximum attention to understand our today's topic properly. Let's see. And let's start our class with, so look here, it is assertive to exclamatory. The sun shines very terribly. So look here, the sun shines very terribly. This is an assertive sentence. Okay, if we do in exclamatory sentence, we need to take a help of how, because it is terribly. Okay, after how, the word will be directly adjective. So start like this: how terribly, TERRIBLY, how terribly the sun shines. Okay, look, how terribly the sun shines. Then exclamatory mark. This is called exclamatory mark. Nobody will forget to give it. Now, sentence number 2. This is also an assertive sentence. It is a matter of sorrow that he has made a brilliant result. So look at the title. It is a matter of sorrow. It is a matter of joy. I am telling again. It is a matter of joy that he has made a brilliant result. Okay, in exclamatory sentence we will use hurrah, HURRA, hurrah, then exclamatory sign, hurrah. Then after that, the rest part of this, that he has made a brilliant result, capital, he has made a brilliant result. Then here full stop. I am telling again, look, hurrah, then exclamatory mark or sign, he has made a brilliant result. He has made a brilliant result. Next, it is a matter of sorrow. Previous one, it is a matter of joy. It is one. So look here, it is here, it is a matter of sorrow that his son has died. Okay, whenever it is a matter of sorrow or sad news, we will use alas. ALAS, alas, exclamatory sign. Then after that, it will, that his son has died. Use here, his son has died. Very easy. So I am telling again, alas, then exclamatory sign, his son has died. Next sentence. I wish I were a rich man. I wish I were a rich man. Okay, you will use here if I were a rich man, then exclamatory sign. So look at the assertive sentence, it is I wish I were a rich man, and in the exclamatory sentence I have written exclamatory if I were a rich man. If I were a rich man, exclamatory sign. Next, I wish I had the wings of a bird. Look, I wish I had the wings of a bird. Here we will use the had first. Then had I, subject, the rest part, had I the wings of a bird. Exclamatory sign. I wish I had the wings of a bird. Okay, so look at the exclamatory sentence here. Had I the wings of a bird. Had I the wings of a bird, then normal rules, it is exclamatory signs. Dear learners, now we will go to our next page. It is exclamatory to assertive. Look at the title. It is exclamatory to assertive. In our previous page, we have learned assertive to exclamatory. So look here also 5 sentences. Number 2. So what a fool he is. This is an exclamatory sentence. Here it is written X. That means exclamatory. What a fool he is. Here we will turn these transformations it into assertive. Okay, like this one. What a fool he is. So look at the subject. It is he. He is a great fool. He is a great fool. Full stop. So what a fool he is. In assertive sentence we will write like he is a great fool. Now second exclamatory sentence. Hurrah, we have won the match. Hurrah, we have won the match. So you will write it. It is a matter of joy. It is a matter of joy that we have won the match. M-A-T-C-H. I have written below. I hope that you will understand. I am telling again. It is a matter of joy that we have won the match. Then full stop. Next, if I were a king. So look here. If I were a king, we will write like this. I wish I were a king. I wish I were a king. Full stop. I wish I were a king, and exclamatory sentence is if I were a king. Next, had I been a merchant. So look here, had I been a merchant. It is exclamatory sentence, had I been a merchant. Okay, we write like this one. I wish I had been a merchant. Full stop. I am telling again. Had I been a merchant, this is an exclamatory sentence, and in assertive we have written I wish I had been a merchant. Okay, like merchant means businessman. Look at the last exclamatory sentence. Would that I were a bird. Would that I were a bird. And look at the assertive sentence. I wish I were a bird. So look at the sentence. Would that I were a bird, and last sentence is I wish I were a bird. Full stop. Dear learners, look here. Our last segment, it is homework. I hope that you can see. So look at the title is homework. Okay. Here transform the following sentences into directions. Here, so look, I have given here 5 sentences. And exclamatory to assertive. This one is also exclamatory to assertive. Exclamatory. So these 3 sentences you will do exclamatory to assertive, and next 2 sentences you will do assertive to exclamatory. So look here, first 3 sentences you will write assertive sentences, and next 2 sentences you will write exclamatory sentences. So look here, if you practice your rules assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive, and it will be very much easier for you to write or to do your homework. And this page number 1 and 2, this page will help you very much to do your homework properly. Dear students, I hope that all of my students of morning and day shift have understood this class 10 lecture very much properly. And if you have any query, don't forget to write me in the comment box. Do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.